Xiaomi is working on a new Redmi Note, which will be known as the 11 Pro Plus. The phone will be released in October of this year. This gadget has a MediaTek Dimensity 920 chipset to offer it extra power, as well as an Octa-Core processor to make it incredibly speedy. In addition, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus is equipped with a Mali-G68 MC4 GPU. The upcoming tablet will have a 6.67-inch screen with a full HD resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels and a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels. The new Xiaomi Redmi Note will feature an AMOLED Capacitive Touchscreen. There is also Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. This phone will come with a whopping 8 GB of RAM. The smartphone's internal storage capacity is 128/256 GB. A triple camera arrangement will be included with the Xiaomi Note 11 Pro Plus. The handset's primary sensor will be 108 megapixels, while the two sensors will be 8 and 2 megapixels. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus selfie camera will be 16 megapixels. A side-mounted sensor will secure your data from loss in this impending new device. The battery of this Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus is 4500 mAh to give full-day use to the users. A 120W quick battery charger is also included.